See, today we are starting our chapter number 13, Kinetic Theory of Gases. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the property of a gases. So here in 13.2 topic, that is the molecular nature of matter. That is जो हमारा गैस मॉलिक्यूल है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच फैक्टर उसका किस तरह से होता है वो सब देखेंगे. सो जनरली इन दिस टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द बॉयल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, गैलुसेक्स लॉ and Avogadro hypothesis. Okay, so here Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac's law and Avogadro hypothesis. So for that, friends, here we consider this triangle okay. So what is the triangle? Just see here. Here we can say it is a pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, so here the relation between two physical quantity, by keeping this third physical quantity constant, we have this particular relation. Okay, so relation between pressure and volume at constant temperature. What? Here the relation between pressure and volume at constant temperature, that is known as Boyle's law. What you call? You call it is Boyle's law. That is, here you can say V is proportional to 1 upon P. That is known as Boyle's law. Okay, that is, here you can say that volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Okay, so here we are using this two sentence, the definite amount of gas and having a sufficient low density. Sufficient low density. Okay, so here our statement like this: the volume of definite amount of gas having a sufficient low density is inversely proportional to its pressure by keeping temperature as a constant, right? So this statement is known as Boyle's law. What you call? You call it as a Boyle's law. So here question arise, why we are using these two words, that is a definite amount of gas and sufficient low density. Okay, so definite amount of gas, that means here this volume is depends on the amount of a gas, right? So here obvious the volume of a container, but here a volume of container remain constant, but here number of molecule is increased, then the density also is going on increasing. It effect of the it effect on the pressure. Okay, that will see. So this amount of gas and sufficient low density. So what is the meaning of sufficient low density? So here ideal gas. So as you know, what is the ideal gas? A gas follow this formula, PV is equal to mu RT, right? Then such gas is known as ideal gas. But at normal temperature and pressure, no gas behave as a ideal gas, that is, no gas behave this formula, right? So it is observed that a gas having a sufficient low density, it follow this formula, right? That's why here we are using this word sufficient low density. So this particular law is known as Charles law. Okay, that is here V is proportional to T. That is the volume of definite amount of gas having a sufficient low density is directly proportional to its temperature by keeping pressure constant. And then last one, Gay-Lussac's law, that is here P is proportional to T, that is the pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So, at a constant volume, pressure of a definite amount of gas having a sufficient low density is directly proportional to its temperature, right. So, that is known as what? Gay-Lussac's law. So, here we study about the Boyle's law, Charles' law and Gay-Lussac's law. The next word, that is the Avogadro number or Avogadro hypothesis. So, what is the Avogadro hypothesis? The number of constituent particle in 1 mole of gas is known as Avogadro number. Okay, and value of Avogadro number is remain constant, that is the 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. Okay, it is known as NO. That is the Avogadro number, right friends. So, it is the value, that value is remain constant. Okay. अब मोल का कंसेप्ट है, that is a mu is equal to n upon Na. What is the n? N is total number of particles or molecules and Na that Avogadro number. Okay. Another equation that you can say mu is equal to m upon mo. What is the m? M is a mass of a gas and mo, that is molecular mass, right. So, it is the Avogadro hypothesis. Okay friends. So, here we clear out this Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law and Avogadro hypothesis, right. So, these all things are very important.